today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error, the unrecognized database format error in Microsoft Access in a very simple way. Let's get started. That is, we're going to open any kinds of blank database. And if you just open any blank database and then simply come over into the external data and then simply come over into new data source and then simply click on from database access. If you click on that, then you can simply click on the browse file and then simply select your corrupted file and then click OK. If you get the same message, then what you can do, you just simply click OK and then you have to open your Google Chrome. Just simply open your browser and you have just to come over this page. Don't worry, I'm going to give you this page into description. From there you can simply copy the link and then paste it into your browser. And from here you can simply click on this free download option. As you can see, the download has been started. And then if you click on it 2 times to install, and then you can simply minimize all of your background app. And then here you have to simply click on next. Then simply check I accept the agreement and then click next, 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 and install. After installing that, you can simply click on finish right now. And now here you can see here is a Stellar Repair Access. So if you just simply click on it. And now here you have to click on the browse option. The browse, you have to click on the desktop and you have to select your corrupted file. You click on repair. As you can see, the repairing status is running right now. As you can see that your problem is rightly solved. And this is how we can simply fix your problem. If the corruption is minor, Microsoft built-in repair option may be enough. But when you see an unrecognized database format error and Access can't even read the file, a specialized repair tool like Stellar Repair for Access can help recover the database without relying on a backup. So yeah, this is how we can simply solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.